all aboard the ABC train. Today, we're going to visit every letter from A to Z and meet something fun that starts with each one. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, A says A. A is for apple, a shiny red apple. Yay, you found A. B says B. B is for banana. C says C. C is for carrot, a crunchy orange carrot. Perfect, that's C. D says D. D is for duck, a quacking yellow duck. Yes, you spotted D. E says E. E is for eagle, a strong flying eagle. Well done, little learner. F says F. F is for frog, a green jumping frog. Yippee, you found F. G says G. G is for giraffe, a tall spotted giraffe. Great work. H says H. H is for hat, a fancy tall hat. Awesome. You got H. I says I. I is for igloo, a cold snowy igloo. Yay, you found I. J says J. J is for jam, sweet strawberry jam. Perfect. That's J. K says K. K is for kite, a kite flying high in the sky. Well done. L says L. L is for lemon, a sour yellow lemon. Yes, you got L. M says M. M is for mushroom, a little red mushroom. Great job. N says N. N is for net, a net to catch things. Awesome. That's N exclamation mark O says O. O is for octopus, a squishy 8-legged octopus. Fantastic. P says P. P is for penguin, a cute little penguin. Yay, you found P. Q says Q. Q is for queen, a beautiful royal queen. Great job. R says R. R is for rabbit, a soft, fluffy rabbit. Perfect. S says S. S is for sun, a bright, shining sun. You got it. T says T. T is for turtle, a slow, happy turtle. Yes, that's T. U says U. U is for umbrella, an umbrella to keep us dry. Well done. V says V. V is for villain, a sneaky storybook villain. You found 5. W says W. W is for whale, a big splashing whale. Awesome. X says X. X is for xylophone, a colourful musical xylophone. Yay, Y says Y is for yarn, a soft ball of yarn. Great job. Z says Z. Z is for zebra, a zebra with stripes. Fantastic. You did it. We've visited all the letters from A to Z